7 reliable strategies for earning $10,000 monthly. Step-by-step guide for each method. If you're seeking ways to increase your income because your current earnings aren't covering your expenses, you've come to the right place. Here, I'll share effective strategies on how to achieve a monthly income of $10,000. While some of these methods require time to establish, they are reliable and proven. Let's dive in. 1. Start drop shipping with Shopify. Drop shipping involves selling products on your website without holding inventory. When a customer buys from your store, the order is forwarded to a supplier who ships directly to the customer. Your focus is on marketing and sales. How to earn. Set retail prices higher than wholesale costs. Shopify dropshippers typically earn $1,000 to $5,000 monthly, with top earners exceeding $100,000 annually. Costs. Shopify plans start from $9 per month, plus transaction fees. 2. Offer freelance writing services. Freelance writers write content for clients without being employed by a single company. Start by choosing your niche, building a portfolio, and joining freelance platforms. How freelancers get paid. Rates vary by project or word count, with average monthly earnings around $5,082 in the US. 3. Become an Amazon affiliate. Amazon Associates allows you to earn commissions by promoting Amazon products on your blog or website. Sign up, place affiliate links, and earn when customers purchase via your links. Potential earnings. Affiliate sites can earn from $100 to $25,000 monthly. 4. Start a podcast. Podcasting involves creating digital audio or video episodes on topics of interest. Monetization options include donations, memberships, sponsorships, ads, and premium content. Earnings. Successful podcasts can earn thousands per episode, with top shows making millions annually. 5. Real estate investing. Real estate investments generate income through property appreciation or rental income. Options include rental properties, real estate investment groups, REIGs, house flipping, real estate investment trusts, REITs, and online platforms. 6. Sell your unwanted jewelry and stuff. Declutter and earn by selling unwanted items online through platforms like LetGo, Craigslist, or Facebook Marketplace. 7. Start a blog. Blogging involves regularly updating a website with informal or conversational content. Monetization methods include brand partnerships, advertising, affiliate links, digital or physical product sales, premium content, memberships, and coaching. Earnings. Established bloggers can earn $500 to $5,000 monthly from affiliate sales alone. Extra tips to reach $10,000 monthly. Set attainable goals. Break down your financial goals into manageable steps. Cut spending. Manage your finances wisely to save more. Avoid burnout. Prioritize self-care to sustain productivity. In conclusion, explore these diverse income-generating opportunities to find one that aligns with your interests and goals. Whether it's through entrepreneurship, freelancing, investing, or blogging, committing to a sustainable path will lead you to financial success. Don't just wonder how to make $10,000 a month. Take action and build a rewarding future.